What's good, guys, and welcome to Tales of Cass. Let go! Guys, I am back. I'm sorry for abandoning you guys, but I am back. We are back, okay? Another breakfast, okay? This one is going to be called Salmon on the Go. It's something for you to just be going on your journeys, okay? So let's get started. Sometimes new locations, sometimes new policies, but it's the same rules. Food bin is open, balcony window, door, terrace is open, okay? Everything is ready and prepared, okay? So now let's just start, okay? We like our breakfasts hot, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare our muffins, okay? We're going again with the soft. Look how soft they are. Don't be coming here trying to do copy, follow, and you're doing this and you're just hearing crunch, because you don't want to be crunching, okay? So let's open it. Whoosh. Guys, you see how the lettuce is yeah? It's wet. Wash your salad, please. Thank you. So guys, cheese is gonna go back, okay? The butter's already back there, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop over onto the cooker, okay? For the salmon, I've got the Tesco salmon here, okay? It's ready to eat. I'm gonna show you just a little trick of what you do and how to cook this salmon without cooking the salmon, okay? For that, we're gonna use some lemon pepper only to balance out the salts with the salmon, okay? Over with the egg, guys. I would have shown you guys on multiple of my videos how I fried the egg. We're gonna put the oil, we're gonna crack it slowly, okay? We're gonna put some sea salt and pink peppercorn right there, and we're gonna use some Old Bay or do any type of everyday seasoning. But as I said, guys, what is the #1 rule? Light on the seasoning, okay? Let's go. You're gonna place the pan for the salmon on the cooker, and you're gonna leave the cooker like this, okay? Medium heat, okay? We're gonna start with the eggs as well, okay? We're gonna light the cooker, and we're gonna turn it down, okay? And we're gonna let that get hot. For the eggs, we're gonna add some oil, of course. We're gonna spread that around there like that. The pan is hot, yeah? What you do is, you turn off the cooker. You get the salmon sliced out, okay? And you place it on there. Unfortunately, I'm not that type of person that likes to eat salmon pink like that. I can't. I can't, okay? So what I do is this is the way I cook it, okay? So if anyone is like me, this is the way to do it. If not, and you don't want to cook it, by all means, just place it on top of the muffin, okay? No seasoning for the salmon, guys. We're just gonna keep it fresh like that, okay? No seasoning. Guys, so slowly, okay? I'm gonna get a spoon. That's the fire, okay? Old Bay. Okay? Salmon's cooked, okay, guys? Open. And we're gonna open it. Guys, get your favorite sauce ready, okay? So we're gonna have some ketchup, so a little bit of ketchup there, and a little bit of ketchup there, okay? And now we're gonna cover that back, okay? We like our breakfast hot. Over to the egg, guys. See how it's doing. small bit of Old Bay. There we go. Sea salt again. I'm just gonna start with that, okay? Guys, seasonings, everything can go back. Alright guys, so this one's ready. Off goes the cooker. Moving it over here. Drip, 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 drip. We're gonna open the bread. Be careful. There we go, I'm gonna place it inside. Yeah, what we're gonna do, put a line through it. Yeah. If you really want this to go, put it in some foil, fold it in half. You pick it up, layer it like that. You close it in, okay? And just like that, you'll take it, okay? Just like that, take it to work, anywhere else, take it to the shop, take it to work, take it to your mum's house, make her jealous, take it to your auntie, you can take it anywhere, okay? And just like that guys, salmon, egg, cheese, lettuce, muffin, breakfast to go.